So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sosin, and if you're a new subscriber, welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thanks for sticking around. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are being the best. And if you're new, you can join my subscription list by subscribing. It's just subscribe button. It's free of charge. You will charge it. And join the list. And I would love to see you guys interact with me in the comment section. Keep it as interactive as possible. Ask questions, and if you feel you have an appeal or something, drop it down in the comment section. I'll reach out to you as soon as I can. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. So the topic of today is quite unique and it's something we have come across at one point in time, but I'm just bringing it out to you also. So today's topic is basically talking about developers and designers and how well best they collaborate together. Or let me just rephrase in the sense that we're talking about designers developers work and or designers developers conflict and how best to actually handle it. So today's topic is sensitive. I'm going to be as careful as possible not to step on a lot of people's toes, which I know I would initially, but it is what it is. But try as much as possible to at least get something useful from it, even though I might step on your toes in the process of talking about it. We're actually going to have a guest on the show, but due to one reason or the other, he couldn't make it, so show must go on. But I'll try to be as detailed as possible. So today's topic, like I said, is something quite sensitive. So from the design aspect, which I do for a living, I'm going to talk about it. So I'm going to share my personal experiences also about how well best actually handle situations, and hopefully you learn one or two things from it. So let's talk about it. So most people talk about becoming a designer, becoming a developer, but the thing about it they don't really talk about, or they don't really tell you about it, is you both need to work together and understand the fact that in order for a product to be successful, you must both put in the time to communicate and understand each other our experience. So I'm going to share my personal experience with you. So initially when I first joined the company which I presently work with today, the developer there is a great developer, is a fantabulous developer, and I give him a shout out to him. But the thing now is, when I first joined, it was a battle in the sense that we didn't understand how well best communicators were coming from two different fields, and we never worked together, and we didn't know how best to communicate our differences. So it was a huge struggle at the beginning to get jobs done. So it was a third party that was coming to actually help us understand how well best to actually complete and to help pass the message across to each of us, because we weren't seeing eye to eye at that point in time. But now it's actually a smooth journey where we got to understand our differences, we got to understand how best to complete our ideas and how best to communicate our displeasures with each other without hurting each other's feelings. And trust me, we keep learning each day, and it has been a smooth journey so far. So I've actually had the opportunity of talking with few developers and few designers and finding out how well best they actually do across, or how well best they actually do communication with their team. And trust me, it's a story for another day, trust me. And I've heard a lot. And even from you also, I'm pretty sure you also have your own story to share from it. And trust me, the story can't end. Designers these days, we are going crazy with what we're bringing out. These developers are also put on their toes, and in which sometimes it is challenging for them and challenging for us, because it is a battle and it's a war, because we always have to keep fighting on why are you doing this, why are you doing that, and trust me, it's something that I don't think is going away anytime soon, but we just actually have to find a way of ironing out our displeasures and finding out best to actually work with each other to achieve most of these things. So for the developer aspect, I would have loved if he was around to actually speak and share his own experience, actually or understand why this is and how well guests will actually go forward, moving forward, how well guests will actually handle such situation. Alright, so trust me, there are times where you get frustrated and be like, why exactly am I putting up with things like this? But it's part of the job. It's just a matter of finding a way of communicating and understanding these differences. And trust me, at the end of everything, you'll be better off for it. Looking for inspiration, see what designers are putting out there these days. I'm amazed by what people are actually doing these days, and coming from what we had before and what we have now. There's a huge growth in the industry, and I'm really proud of each and every creative out there, and I'm inspired by it to do more, because I know people are actually thinking outside the box and people are actually putting their effort to actually do these things and put it out there for us to actually enjoy that. And so hopefully I'll be able to answer most of them that come across your mind in your journey or in the journey you're trying to develop on. And I'd love to hear from the developers also in the comment section below. So you can reach out to me. I'd love to hear from you guys, your experiences, what you face presently, and if possible, we can discuss how well best to actually move forward from this point, and how well best to actually communicate and collaborate with each other to actually have a smooth journey moving forward. We can't do without each other, so we actually have to find a way to actually coexist together and better communicate better. So with that, we've come to the end of the video for today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and share the videos out there. Leave a thumbs up and let the YouTube algorithm know this video was really useful to you and push it out to a wider audience. So till next time, bye for now.